Hey, Paul Katroff with 423 Byland. Here I am in the village. It is 6:54. We're onto another RV lot that we already sold. I like to go back to the people I sell RV lots to, and these are people that are actually, they're doing their own development. It's early in the morning, and there are lots of RV lots going on. It gives me the opportunity to learn. The best way to learn is to watch how other people do their lots, because not all lots are done the same. In this particular case, I'm pretty excited. We're going to see something a little different. We're about to see a tree being dropped. You see, when it comes to the electric company, they give you the choice of going underground, and sometimes you can't. That's what the site inspection is for. So everybody's going to have a site inspection. She comes out and tells you what you can do. In this particular case, we sold this lot, and in order for him to go underground from the pole, there's a tree in the way. Pretty simple. We got to remove that tree. That tree is right about there, and we got to make it disappear. So today we're going to do a little tree dropping. I thought that would be somewhat exciting. It is for me. I like dropping trees. So let's see how this goes, and I'll try to be brief and go over everything. And then after that, I'm probably going to take you to another lot, see what we can find. Anyway, good luck. Thank you, 423 Byland. Okay, here's our job for today. And the electric company came out. They did the site inspection. So when you have your lot done, this is what it looks like, right? You come out here and you put your stakes where everything's going to go. These 4 stakes right here, that's where his unit is going to go. He's got a unit coming in, okay? So he's got a smaller stake here, and that is where his smaller electric pole is going to go. You can see it says Chico. That's the electric company, Sam Houston Electric, right? Okay, good stuff. Now, they are going to put a brand new pole right here, just like that one. So you see this tree here? Okay, that's got to come down. Pretty simple. I believe the big pole is going to go right here. Got to cut this tree so that the wire can come down, go under the ground to there. Now, if you didn't cut the tree down, you'd have to have a much larger pole here, big one. It'd go right about to here. And what they would do is they would basically just go 20 feet from the new pole to the big pole. Then the big pole would come down. Then you would go underneath. It's always nice when you get your inspection come out and she says, hey, we can go underground. So even if it costs a few $100 to get rid of that tree, it's so much nicer without having the bigger pole. You see, the benefit is that when you get rid of that tree and they take the line from the big pole and go underground, they can go right to there. So anyway, good stuff. Let's see how this all works out. There's Dave early in the morning, and this is a lot. This is one of our best lots, and we've got the owner out here, and I don't want to get him on camera. He knows I would love to get him on camera, but he's a wonderful individual, and the 3 of us men are meeting here this morning. A lot of testosterone filled. We're all good-looking men, probably the best-looking men in Polk County. Actually, we're 3 overweight middle-aged guys. Okay, you see what Dave is doing here. Dave is real good with tree dropping. He's going to use a tractor to apply force, and then we're going to cut it, and we're going to drop it at an angle across the street, and we're going to cut it up. Okay. That's how you use a tractor. We may even tie this off. I don't know. Anyway, I've got to get my tools ready. should fall there. Now he's doing the back. Pretty simple. Okay, it gives you an idea of the lean that he's created with the tractor. And there's the owner, Mark, that we sold the lot to. And Mark is a great guy. Great guy. So Mark is kind of getting involved.
Oh, not coming down the road, huh?
No, you're good to go, Dave. Okay, there we go. Small knock and you have a tractor. There you go. There you go. Beautiful drop. There you go. Anyway, that's how simple and easy that looks. I do my own trees. I don't have a tractor to do that. That just makes it simple. Anyway, I want to help these guys out and see if we can get this tree all cut up. And I thought that was kind of neat, guys. Just real simple, real easy. But that's what you get when you have a tractor. And Dave. And some ambition. So. There's Dave. Right now we're gonna tie a chain up to the tree and we're gonna haul the big part out. And I just think if I had to do this by hand, I'd be making cuts like this, right? The bigger, the thicker the stem, the smaller the cut. So I'd be making all these cuts. Then when that got done, I'd have to load all this up in a wheelbarrow and usually take it to the back of the lot. So just imagine how many wheelbarrows, trip after trip. But when you have a tractor there and you have a Dave, you can't go wrong. So we're gonna drag this tree out. Wow. That's great. So Dave is dragging this tree back onto the lot before we cut it up so that we don't leave the tree in the ditch and have to work from the ditch. Pretty smart. Oh, you're waiting on me, okay. All right, right now Dave is taking the remaining of the logs that we cut up. And this all took about 20 minutes to make a tree disappear. What would take me about an hour and a half, I would say 2 hours by the time it's all said and done. So we're gonna put that to the side and deal with that later, and that's all she wrote. Okay, we're done, and we are on to our next lot that's gonna be developed.